Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. And today we are going to take a trip down memory lane. Back when I was in high school, internet wasn't a thing yet. But as soon as I did graduate, probably say within 2 years later, there was this little thing. You'd sign in, you click the little button, you hear the dial-up. It was like the 14.4 BOPS modem. And then you sign on. And then next thing you hear this voice that says, "You got mail." Yes, the old AOL. I mean, who remembers that when you used to try to send pictures or anything over like email or whatever it was back then? And the picture would come in by like a tenth of an inch it takes forever. How far have we came in 30 years? You know, where now it's everything just like snap of the fingers. But remember the message boards and all the other good stuff back then, or trying to download music off Napster. A 3 megabit song would take you 22 minutes on dial-up. Yeah. So with that being said, I'm doing a Dixxon Flannel review, and this is called The Welcome. And it is paying homage to AOL. The colors of AOL. You know, you remember the little AOL logo, and then they had like 3 little boxes, and it showed like your sign-on progress when you're trying to sign on until you're able to successfully sign on. But yeah, so I mean, it brought back a lot of memories. Like, I gotta have it. I mean, I got a 3XL in it, and it's a part of my life. I mean, just how far the internet's come in 30 years, but this is called The Welcome. And it's also got like the Michigan Wolverines colors too, so that helps out a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and take these little plastic pins off of this thing. And that's one thing Dixxon's really good at, is he's put these plastic pins everywhere. And the stuffing. Look at this. Even the sticker is the AOL type influence. Look at that. That is cool. That is cool. We got the tag here. Same thing on the tag. Let's see if there's any special things on here. All right, this is a regular button up. It says, Dixxon Company, you've got mail. So welcome here. Got the Dixxon logo there. This is one of the more cleaner flannels that they have made that I enjoyed. I love the colors, the basic colors. Dixxon. It's got the little AOL walking guy on there. Yeah, and then after dial-up came around, then you had DSL, which was faster, and then you had coax, and then you had T1 connection, and now there's fiber everywhere. I mean, it's crazy in 30 years. So imagine what it's going to be like in another 30 years. Hopefully I'm around to see it. I don't know if I will be, but we will see. But this is it here. Perfect colors. I'm digging it. And we're going to show a close-up, and then we're going to try this bad boy on. Here's a close-up of it. As you can see, it's got the Wolverine colors. But man, this flannel is one of the cleaner flannels that Dixxon is. I mean, it just looks clean. Yes, this is a snap. I mean, I did a recently one on the autism, which I said was my favorite flannel by Dixxon ever. I gave it a 5.0 on my scorecard. And then here you go. You got mail on the buttons. Dixxon and the AOL guy. But yeah, that's a clean flannel there. Let's go ahead and try it on. I have the flannel on, and it looks fantastic. This thing is badass. It is badass. Let's go ahead and stand up, show you what it looks like on. I mean, it is such a clean flannel. It's not like it's perfect. But yeah, how about them apples? Cheese and crackers. This thing is sick. I said my autism one was my favorite Dixxon flannel. That was a snap-up button. This is a button-up. So this is going to be my favorite button-up flannel, but I also give this a 5.0. This thing is sick. Yeah. This is a doozy. I mean, this thing is, whew. Wow. I can't wait till it starts getting cooler outside so I can actually start wearing these. Hell, I might even wear it even sooner than that. I might just sweat at work just so I can wear this. This thing is fly. Yes, I said fly because we're taking it back to the 90s. Yep. It's funky, fresh in effect. Wow. Yeah. So I'm just curious now, everybody. I mean, this is a great flannel. What is your highlight or your memories of AOL? I'm just curious. Like I said, downloading music back then, but AOL and of course, You've Got Mail. Or how many times were you on the internet and somebody in the house picks up the phone and knocks you off the internet? You're like, what the hell, man? And then they'll pick it up and then they'll hear that noise and they'll hang it back up and it's already too late at that point. And then they apologize and then you got to do the whole sign-in process again. It takes 5 minutes to get back online. Yeah. What an inconvenience that was. Third world country problems, I tell you. All right, everybody. Reviews and moves. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see everybody next time. Thanks again for watching, everybody.